the market gets confused between risk and uncertainty, and it kind of confuses one for the other. And risk and uncertainty are two very different things. And in general, anytime you get to a situation where risk is low, but uncertainty is high, in general, the odds are high that the stock in question or business in question will be mispriced, and it'll probably be underpriced. So that combination of low risk and high uncertainty is a great combo. And the low risk means that your downside is limited. And a good way to think about that is, like, for example, when Bill Gates started Microsoft, people always think about these companies being formed as being highly risky ventures. But if you really analyze it, so when Gates started Microsoft, he did not have a net worth or assets or capital. So the fact that he was taking a high risk, well, there's no capital to lose. So you can't really have risk because of a loss of capital. And if you think about the opportunity cost, so he had not yet finished his undergraduate degree. At that time, with the couple of years that he had spent at Harvard, his value in the job market was very low. So if he went out looking for jobs and such, the people would not be willing to pay him that much. And if the venture did not work, so he moves to New Mexico, starts Microsoft. And so if you think about the notion that Microsoft doesn't work, well, he goes back to Harvard, finishes an undergraduate degree, and now when he graduates, he's got interesting stuff on his resume, that what he did in New Mexico for a year. So any way you look at it, the startup of Microsoft was almost risk-free. But the uncertainty related to Microsoft was very high. It could have been that the company failed and whatever little money he had was gone. Or it could be that he could have become the wealthiest human on the planet, which he did. And so it's a very wide range of outcomes